Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn the recipe to make brinjal or eggplant with curd. This is a unique way of preparing brinjals with frying brinjals first in oil and then adding some spices and cooking with yogurt. This is such an easy and delicious recipe, so let's learn how to make this. To make this, I have taken half red onion, 1 small tomato, 3 brinjals, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I have cut each brinjal into 4 pieces. We need water, sesame oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, jeera, hing, garlic ginger paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and some curry leaves if you have. Wash and cut the vegetables and keep it all ready. Let's start the cooking. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a pan add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Please try to use sesame oil for this recipe because it gives a great taste. When the oil becomes hot, you can add 3 cut brinjals to this and we are going to fry them on low flame. Stirring well, you can fry them for about 7 minutes until the skin changes to this color. You can switch off the stove at this point and then you can transfer the eggplant to a plate. Frying brinjals in sesame oil gives a great flavor than just frying in vegetable oil. So please try to use sesame oil for frying these brinjals. The brinjal should look like this after frying. In the same pan, you can add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil again and then we are going to season it. For seasoning, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of jeera and quarter teaspoon of hing. Stir it well and when the mustard seed starts popping, you can add half chopped red onions to this. You can use small onions or yellow onions, whichever you have at home. Cook the onions for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Add few curry leaves if you have at home. Stir it well so the garlic ginger paste blends well with the onions and cook for 2 minutes until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste goes away. Now you can add 1 small tomato to this and cook until it becomes mushy. At this stage, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder to this. Stir it well so all the spice powders blends well with onions and tomatoes. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt to this and stir it well. Finally, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of yogurt to this. Yogurt gives a unique and fantastic taste to this recipe which you are going to love. Stir the yogurt nicely so it blends well with the onions and tomatoes and then you can add a little bit of water to this. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. So now add the fried brinjals which we have kept aside to the curry and cook for about 7 minutes. You can close it with the lid and occasionally open it and stir it well and cook. See how nicely the curry has become thick? It should look like that. Open the lid after 7 minutes and you can see how nicely the oil is separated from the curry and how nicely the brinjals are cooked in the curd. These brinjals in curd really taste good and you can eat this with rice or rotis. It tastes really good. You can switch off the stove now and see how nicely the brinjals are done. I'm sure your mouth is watering. Your world famous brinjal or eggplant with curd from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. This is a fantastic recipe which you're going to love, so please make this at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you.